you're experiencing issues with the multiplayer feature in EAFC 25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance that could be affecting multiplayer functionality. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming console or PC can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of EAFC 25 installed. Check for updates in your game library or platform store and install any available patches or updates. Step 4. Test your internet connection. Run a speed test to check your internet connection. If your connection is slow or unstable, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection for better stability. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If you're still having issues, consider adjusting your network settings. This may include enabling UPnP on your router, port forwarding, or checking firewall settings to ensure that the game is allowed to connect to the internet. If you follow these steps and still encounter problems, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.